Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. I'm here with my daughter and she and I are going to be drawing a picture of another nursery rhyme.
Little Bo Peep.
Yeah! Should we do the nursery rhyme real quick? Little Bo Peep has lost his sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, bringing their tails behind them. Alright, well, we are going to draw Little Bo Peep looking for her sheep and holding on to her shepherd's crook. Okay? Alright, let's get started.
Okay.
So we'll make 2 ovals.
That's okay.
Yep. Alright, and then her nose like that.
How do you know?
Because I've practiced it. And then her mouth is going to be kind of a worried mouth like that off to the side. Oh, that's a good one. And then let's draw her eyelashes like this.
I'm going to connect it.
Okay, you can connect it. And I'm just going to fill in the bottom part of her ovals.
I like her.
Do you want to fill in the bottom part of her ovals for her eyes? Wow, that's really good. Okay, so now what we're going to do is try to draw her hand. So we're going to draw the bottom part of her hand like that, and then it's going to come around like this because she's looking with her hand over her eyes. And then it comes back down like this, and that is her arm, just the top part of it.
Like a banana.
Yeah, kind of like
Banana, someone's eating it.
All right, so now we're going to draw her hair. So we're going to draw 2 curved lines like that.
Oh, that's easy.
Okay, and then,
I like that.
okay, now we're going to give her just some curly hair.
Curly hair?
So you're going to just make some curls like that. And we're not going to do the bottom part of her hair yet because we still need to do her sleeve. But we can go like that and then connect over here and give her more curly hair that comes down, and it gets kind of skinnier at the bottom there. And then it connects up there. Cute. All right, should we give her her bonnet? So it goes up like this.
Oh.
And then over here, and then it comes back down. Very good. Okay.
She looks like...
Yeah, she's worried about her sheep. Okay, now let's draw her sleeve. So we're gonna draw some ruffles. That look kind of like curls or like a flower.
Right here?
Around that bottom part of her arm. And then we're going to draw her elbow right here, and then it's going to come down. Good, that's far enough. Okay, and then let's draw the bottom part of her hair now. So a few more curls coming down, like that. Now we're going to draw the side of her face. So we're going to start right here by her eye, kind of, and then we're going to come down, and over and up.
Over and up.
Yep, and now we can finish her curls up to her face. If you didn't already, you can draw a line from here up to her face. Good. Okay, now you need to give her a little neck, so just 2 lines.
Well, these are little.
And then we're gonna give her a little strap or bow for her bonnet. So these are ribbons coming down from this side.
From her hair.
From her bonnet, under her hair, yeah. And then on this side too. And then we're going to make a bow. So we're going to make a circle down here, right in the middle of it. And then just we're going to turn it into a bow, like that. And then you can have the bottom.
I love it.
I love it too. You can even add some little things at the bottom of the bow, like that. Very cute. And then the bottom of her neck just needs like a little oval put around it for her top of her dress. Okay. Now we need to draw her arm going out this way because she's holding on to her crook. And then it comes together. And then you can add some ruffles on this sleeve too.
Ruffle, ruffle.
And then you need to draw her arm coming out of it, like that. And then you can draw her thumb like this. And then you can draw her fingers. 1, 2, 3. And then you can draw her crook by going up like this. And then it makes it looks like a question mark almost. Like that. And then you can come back around. Make it thicker. Like that. And then we'll draw the bottom part of the crook later. It almost looks like Maui's hook, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's draw the rest of her dress. So we're going to draw a small angle that way and a small angle that way. And then,
Here?
hold on, let me see. And then we're making a sash right here. Like a belt. Can you make a belt?
Okay.
Oh, I forgot one thing up here by her bonnet. She needs the back part of her bonnet. So you do a diagonal line and then you curve it in.
Yeah.
And now we need to do her skirt. And I like to do her skirt that comes out here kind of like a bell. And then it comes back over. And it doesn't really matter how the bottom looks. Oh, that's cute. And then...
It's like...
Yeah, and then you can draw little ruffles at the bottom of this dress. Alright, and now that we've drawn the skirt, then we can finish this hook. Because I wasn't sure if it would overlap or not. So you just bring that together, down like that. Nice. Okay. Now we need to draw her...
accidentally did ruffles.
That's okay. You could put grass by it. No one would notice. Okay. One more thing down here. Well, a few more things. We're going to draw her legs. So we're going to do a line down the middle. And then a diagonal line coming down. And another diagonal line coming down like that. And then you create her feet where they connect like this. And then you can draw like a little rectangle here and a rectangle here. Actually, it's more like a square. Good. So yeah, that's her shoes right there. And then we could draw grass along the bottom.
Just a little. I like it on the two sides.
Okay. So grass is fun to draw, I think. You just make these jagged lines.
Just has to be for her shoes.
Yeah. Okay, and then...
Mom, look at her hair. She do.
Yeah. So let me
What
see.
she's doing. Yes, there.
Okay. Let me see. Oh, there's a little... We need a little line right here so it doesn't look like her neck is floating. But other than that, I think... Oh, eyebrows. She needs eyebrows like that.
Don't forget those.
Yep.
Are we
And
done?
this eyebrow's kind of hidden. I guess a little bit shows there. But, yeah, we're done. So now we can color it. We're going to color in time lapse, and you can use whatever colors you want. But let's get coloring. We hope you had so much fun drawing Little Bo Peep with us. And we hope you'll follow our channel so you don't miss our future videos. And we will see you next time.
Bye.